Ever applied your favorite lipstick in the morning, only to find it faded, smudged, or completely gone by lunchtime? Frustrating, right? The good news is, with the right technique, you can lock in that color and keep your lips looking flawless all day. No endless touch-ups, no dry, cracked lips, just smooth, vibrant wear from morning to night. Let's start with the base. Hydrated lips are key, but here's where most people go wrong: slathering on lip balm right before applying lipstick. That actually shortens wear time. Instead, exfoliate your lips first with a gentle scrub or a damp toothbrush to remove any dry patches. Then, apply a lightweight, non-greasy lip balm and let it absorb fully before moving on. If your lips are too slick, blot off any excess with a tissue. Next, let's talk primer. Yes, lip primers exist and they make a difference. A good primer smooths out the lip surface, grips the pigment, and prevents feathering. But if you don't have one, a tiny dab of concealer or foundation over your lips works just as well. It neutralizes your natural lip color, making the lipstick shade pop while creating a velvety base for long wear. Now, onto lip liner. This is your secret weapon. Choose a liner that matches your lipstick shade or is slightly deeper for a fuller effect. Start by outlining your lips, then fill them in completely. Why? This creates an anchor for your lipstick to cling to, so even when the top layer fades, you've got color underneath. For the lipstick itself, formula matters. Matte and liquid lipsticks typically last longer, but if you prefer creamier finishes, you can still make them last. Apply the first layer, then take a tissue, separate the layers so you have a single ply, and place it over your lips. Lightly dust a translucent setting powder over the tissue. This technique sets the color without drying your lips out. Layering is another pro tip. Apply your lipstick, blot with a tissue, then reapply. This builds up the color in thin layers, making it more resistant to fading. If you really want to lock it in, finish with a setting spray. Yes, the same one you use for your makeup. A quick spritz can help seal everything in place. And here's the part no one talks about: how you eat and drink affects wear time. When sipping, go for a straw if possible, and avoid oily foods, as they break down lipstick faster than anything else. If your lipstick does fade, a quick touch-up with your liner and a small dab of lipstick in the center is all you need. Now, what's your go-to lipstick shade? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if you found these tips helpful, why not give this video a like? If you love beauty hacks that actually work, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more expert tips. I think you'll love the video on screen next. It might just help you perfect your next beauty look. Thanks for watching Beautyistic, and I'll see you in the next one.